In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get MetaTrader 5 on PC. MetaTrader 5, often called MT5, is a powerful trading platform for Windows. To keep your computer safe and get the latest version, we'll grab it directly from the official source and walk through installation and first login. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to the official MetaQuotes download page at https://metatrader5.com/en.download. This is the safest place to download MT5, and you'll always find the most up-to-date Windows installer there. On the page, click the button that says Download MetaTrader 5 for Windows. Your browser will save a small setup file, typically named mt5setup.exe. If your browser shows a prompt asking whether to keep or run the file, choose to keep it. You can monitor the download in your browser's Downloads area. Once the file has finished downloading, open your Downloads folder and double-click mt5setup.exe. If Windows asks for permission to allow the app to make changes, click Yes. The installer will open and guide you through a quick setup. Accept the default options by clicking Next, and then Finish. The installation usually takes 1 to 3 minutes. For best results, keep your internet connection stable and close other heavy programs while it installs. After installation completes, MetaTrader 5 will typically launch automatically. If it doesn't, you can open it anytime from the desktop shortcut or by searching for MetaTrader 5 in the Start menu. Give it a moment on the first run while it loads default settings and data feeds. When MT5 is open, go to the File menu and choose Login to Trade Account. Enter your trading account number in the login field, your password, and the server name provided by your broker. Make sure the server you select exactly matches the one in your account details, since choosing the wrong server will prevent a successful login. Then click Login, and you should see the status in the lower right corner Connect and start streaming data. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Always download MT5 either from the official MetaQuotes website or directly from your broker to avoid tampered installers. If you're new to the platform, start with a demo account to practice without risking real funds. And double-check that you're installing the Windows desktop version, not the mobile or web edition. That's it. You've successfully installed MT5 on your Windows PC and signed in. If something doesn't connect right away, recheck the server name and your credentials from your broker, then try again. Once connected, you're ready to explore charts, quotes, and tools in the platform at your own speed.